It's sunny today, and here is the reading 5.5 centigrade down in the soil here under this. I'm going to move this up beside this one. So I've moved it up to below the so where the water drips down, we're up at 20.9 say. And this one reads, this is more accurate, this reads 21.6, and but it just depends on how deep it is in the ground. So 21.4 right now. So that's the temperature of the ground, and we know the temperature here was 5 or so. We're going up here now, and we're going to measure the water temperature coming out. Oh dear, I have to twist the thing around. I used to have a nicer, oh no, okay, no, I don't know if you can see, it's 14.1, 14.2, it's still going down. It is 13.3, 2, 1, it's still going down. And I'm going to measure the water coming out here too. So around 13 point something. And here the water's coming out. I got to wait 10 seconds, which is a pain. 12.2. So 12.2 coming out, say. Maybe a tiny bit warmer there. And what did we say here? 20, 21 at the bottom. And 5 degrees here. And this is because the water hasn't got down to there yet, the warmed up water from the sun. So we shall measure now the temperature of the water in the bucket where it gets airlifted up. It's 7.3. So what does that mean? So 7.3 here. So we can we know the water is running at about 3 litres per hour. So from here to there, it has gained 7.5, about 5 degrees of temperature. And that's kind of interesting, or it's interesting to me. And you wonder why. And if you look along the tube, it's got bubbles on it. And that means water is condensing on this tube. And water is also condensing on this. Another possibility is the air in the air pipe is warmed up substantially as it goes down in here. And then if we go along this pipe, so like I can show you maybe here. I don't know if you can see, my finger has made a mark there. And if you go along this pipe, I've moved this back and forth a little, but you can definitely see at the end here that it's covered in condensation again. So that means that condensation is transferring heat, I guess, to the water that's going in the pipe. So this thing isn't as simple and straightforward as I thought. And nothing ever is when you look into it. Here is the wood, and maybe I have time to check the temperature of the wood. Oops, I'm not used to using these things yet. I have to hold it sideways this way, which is a pain. It's not gonna. So it's going up very quickly. Up to 17. You have to wait 10 seconds. So maybe it's around 19. It seems to be slowing down. 3. Oh, it's still going. 6. Okay. So about 19.6. We can check the temperature of the slate. You look at it upside down. 17, 18, 20. Oh, 21. 21.7. 22.3. So it's still going up. So 23, 22, 23 here. This one I can't really measure because it's dripping a tiny bit slow now. And these things, oh yeah, I might as well show you this. These things They're blocked up one time, which is they're supposed to do. And this is how you clean them. If I had the water running in it. There we go. See, I just took it out of the thing and took it out of its little slot, cleaned it, and cleaned it up very nicely. So it's straightforward. The last, I think this will stay going for about a week. Block up and you just clean it. So you can have a cleaning schedule for the thing. Anyway, oh yeah, here is my, this is linen or linseed, flax, and the fibers spread the water around. This is another thing you can play with if you want. Putting some sort of plastic on, it gives you an extra degree or so at this when the sun's shining. Here's flax again, and you see how it spreads the water around, so that means the water can drip in more places and grab more heat. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Thank you, bye bye. Oh, no, there's one more thing. Yeah, stop it.